What's up, YouTube? I'm here with yet another video. So today we're just going to be doing a simple tow hook install on my 27 Camaro SS 1LE. I do have a video on the badge install for the Camaro, the 1LE, and then also on both sides I have the Camaro. So that video will be up before or after this one, I'm not sure. This is going to be a short video, so I'm going to go ahead and get this one uploaded ASAP. The other one, I'm just looking for the correct music that I want to have playing in the background. So that's all I'm waiting on right now. But yeah, we go ahead and get this started. I'm going to go ahead and bring my light over here. We have some light for you guys. And then do what needs to be done. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and get this little piece right here popped out. I already have mine popped out, so just pull it. It's a 2-piece tow hook, so go ahead and twist this off. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and line your tow hook up with the tow hook connection spot. Once you get that lined up, you're gonna go ahead and just twist that in, screw it in. I'm gonna move this little bolt so I can get a better grip on this one. So once you get that pretty tight, you're gonna go ahead and grab your wrench. Mine is gonna be a 17, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up. So once you do that, you're gonna get this little lock nut. You're just gonna put it like right here in this area. You're gonna grab your tow hook, and this one does have a little damage right there, so I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna have it facing this way. So just gonna go ahead and screw this on. You can bring it out as far as you want. I want it, let's see. I want it like right here. So this other bolt is going to be a 19, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this one and tighten it up. So that's not going anywhere. That's not spinning anywhere. And then for this piece, I don't know if you want yours loose like that or what, but I'm gonna go ahead and tighten mine up. That one is gonna be a H8 hex bolt, Allen key, whatever you want to call it. I want it like at this angle right here, coming straight down. So boom, nice and sturdy now. And then with this piece, I do want this piece on there, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get this one cut. I'm gonna cut this little piece right here so I can put it on there so it's not naked, and go from there. So this is the final product. So yeah, this is the final product right here. So yeah, like I said, it's a quick little video. So what's up YouTube? I'm here with yet another cut